the most powerful twin-engine passenger aircraft in the world. Its engine is so big that an entire Boeing 737's fuselage can fit in it. The aircraft I'm talking about? The Boeing 777.
This is aviation.
The Airbus A350, the most advanced commercial aircraft in the world. Its construction, nothing short of a masterpiece. 2.5 million components, 1,800 professionals. Together, constructing an aircraft the likes of which the world has never seen before. The goal, minimal fuel consumption, maximum range. The product of precision workmanship, expertise, and quite simply, pride.